Explain to you how to change the spring on a double needle walking foot machine. So you got over here the two spring as you see over here. That's one over here, which it goes this way, and one go the other way. This one it's been stretched. It should not be stretched. It should be very close. So now the mechanic will take one out as you see over here, and the second one is here. So he's gonna open it. Okay, take it out. Yes, take out the spring to show them. You unscrew that cap. And then you pull that things outside. You have another screw to hold that cap. You take it out. And this is how the spring is. All the spring come the same thing. You pull out. And look how the spring look. It's the same thing as the other spring as you see over here. So doesn't mean it was the way it is. It comes over here the same way. Take it out. We take the whole unit out as you see over here. We're going to take that spring out with the other one, which is the same spring. You send it. Okay, put it back. Okay. Now we'll take the other spring out. Okay, now we're going to install that spring first. We put the stem in. Now we're putting the other piece, as you see. It's the guard for that. Now we're taking the bracket with the spring together. Okay, and we slide it back in there. Now you put the cap in. Okay, then tie the screw, put the other mechanism in.